Aloha, Stephanie Dutcher here, bringing everything you need to know about Na Hale O Makena. Na Hale O Makena is a luxury residential condo complex located in Makena, just a little bit south of Poʻolenalena Beach. Na Hale O Makena was built in 2001 and is comprised of 40 luxury, large condo units that sits on 6 total acres. Na Hale O Makena is set up as 6 buildings that are 3 to 4 stories tall. Each unit comes with 2 parking spaces, one in a carport and one that is uncovered. Each unit has an elevator that only goes up to their unit, so you can't get off on someone else's floor. You can only access your unit from the elevator designated for your unit. Pretty cool. The units at Na Hale O Makena are extremely spacious, ranging from 2,000 square feet to 2,800 square feet. The floor plans are 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom units. They are large, luxurious, and they live like a high-end home. Na Hale O Makena offers up huge, large outdoor lanai spaces. On the units in the upper floors, they offer up really beautiful ocean views. But even from the lower ground floor units, you will not be disappointed with the garden views that you have. Na Hale O Makena is meticulously maintained from a landscaping perspective. Tons of beautiful tropical foliage, and it feels like there's always someone there that is working on the garden space. And it's beautiful because you don't have to work on it, you just get to enjoy it. Na Hale O Makena has one beautiful gated pool area. It's a saline pool that also has a hot tub, a covered cabana area with additional tables that are in the shade, barbecue area, and then attached to that cabana barbecue area is a beautiful workout room. Na Hale O Makena is also a gated community, so only those with the code or the clicker are able to get in. This helps provide an extra level of safety and security. While Na Hale O Makena is not beachfront or oceanfront, it does have quick access to 2 beautiful beaches that are nearby. First one to the north is Poʻolenalena Beach, also known as Chang's Beach by the locals. And to the south of it is Makena Landing. Both beaches, fantastic snorkeling, fantastic for putting out any kind of board sport, good for sunbathing, frolicking, just sitting and taking in the sunset as well. It's really, truly hard to go wrong with any of the beaches on Maui, and these 2 beaches are especially beautiful. Na Hale O Makena is a 4-minute drive to the shops at Wailea. It houses a bunch of restaurants and shops, a small convenience grocery store as well. You're about a 5-minute drive to the Wailea tennis courts or the start of the Wailea Blue golf course. You're even closer to the Wailea Gold golf course. And you're about a 35-minute drive to the airport. Na Hale O Makena is an extremely beautiful and secluded location. Not a ton of tourist traffic comes by, so it brings a feeling of safety and security, and also a really beautiful quietness that Maui is known for. You will not be disappointed at Na Hale O Makena. Now, I'm so excited to show you this property. So enough talking. Come on, let's go take a look. If you're interested in purchasing a property at Na Hale O Makena, give me a call. I would love to talk through what it would take to help you make Na Hale O Makena your next home. I've also included a link down below, including information regarding Na Hale O Makena, including a building map and properties currently available for sale. I hope you enjoy. Now, I'm Stephanie Dutcher, signing off for now, your resource for everything related to Na Hale O Makena and Maui real estate. Please don't be a stranger or reach out to me today. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Aloha.